If your laptop doesn't connect to Wi-Fi but other devices can, here are some detailed solutions to help you fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Reset your network configuration. The first solution you can try is resetting your network settings using the command prompt. Press the Windows key to open the search menu. Type CMD and select Run as Administrator under command prompt. Type the following commands and press Enter after each one. The same commands will be in the description, so you can copy and paste it from there too. Wait for these commands to finish running and restart your PC. Method 2. Renew IP configuration. To renew IP configuration, again open an elevated command prompt. In the search menu, type CMD and select Run as Administrator under command prompt. Type the following commands and press Enter after each one. ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew. Now restart your PC and check if the error is resolved. Method 3. Change the network adapter bandwidth. If the bandwidth setting on your laptop is set to auto and the value is too low to detect and connect to your Wi-Fi, you might experience this problem. Here are the steps you need to follow. Press the Windows key and X and select the Device Manager option. Click the arrow next to the Network Adapters option and double-click your wireless network adapter. Now click the Advanced tab at the top. Select the 802.11n channel width for 2.4 GHz option from the Property menu and set its value to 20 MHz only. Method 4. Perform a network reset. If the solutions mentioned above do not work for you, you can reset all network adapters to factory settings. Open the Settings app on your laptop and go to Network and Internet from the left pane. Scroll down to More Settings and click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. This will remove and reinstall all network adapters back to the original settings. Check if you have this issue after the PC restarts. And there you have it. 4 different solutions to help you fix the Friends Network Unreachable error on Steam. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting options. Thanks for watching, and always remember that we are here to help you out.